Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of Beautique Monthly. If you guys don't know what Beautique Monthly is, it is a monthly subscription service, and they have two different boxes you could choose from. So they have the Mask Maven, which I do have, and that is about 9 skincare masks that if you are a mask lover, you're going to need and you're going to love it. Then they also do have the beauty box. The beauty box does contain masks, it contains lip products, makeup, skincare, basically anything beauty related. So I do have both of them here, and I am going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm so grateful they did gift me these boxes, and I'm just going to do a little unboxing, show you guys what I get. If you guys are interested and you do want to purchase, then you can go ahead and use my coupon code. So the coupon code is XOMelissa25, XOMELISSA25. I'll leave it right here, and that's going to get you 25% off of your first month. So before we jump into that actual portion of the video, I just want to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please do not forget to subscribe before you go. And without further ado, let's jump into this video, guys. Alright, so as always, we're going to start off with the Mask Maven because that is right on top. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. And then you do get all of these masks. And one thing that I really do like is with every single box you get, whether it's Mask Maven or the beauty box, they do give you the month. So this is the Moisturizing Matters November 2019 box. And they do give you a breakdown of all of the masks in here and basically why they're good for you. So first, let's just go randomly. First, I'm going to start off with these Collagen and Gold Hydrogel Eye Patch. I love eye patches, so I'm super excited to test this out. So this is the Beauty Green Hydrogel Eye Patches. It is infused with collagen and gold, which effectively removes wrinkles and helps to maintain healthy complexion. Perfect to use to decrease eye bags and dark circles underneath your eyes. All you have to do is just leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm actually super excited to test this out because I love eye masks so much. Next one we have is this one right here. This is the Hyaluronic Pure Essence Mask Sheet Butter with Shea Butter. This nourishing sheet mask provides shea butter, which has a high concentrate of fatty acids that conditions, tones, and soothes skin for a long-lasting hydration. It also uses a type of mask fabric that is very thin and absorbs essence, resulting in more moisturization for your skin. So really excited. Now that it's wintertime, I feel like my skin, like my cheeks are drying out, and I'm really excited to go ahead and test these out. So next one we have is this pink one. This looks really pretty. This is the Hyaluronic Pure Essence Mask Sheet. This is Damask Rose. So this mask features rose extracts, which helps to revitalize aging skin while providing moisture to dull skin. It also uses a type of mask fabric that is very thin and absorbs more essence, resulting in more moisture to your skin. So these two are basically the exact same. This one just has the shea butter, and then this one just has the rose. So next one we have is this one right here. This is the Nature Republic Real Nature Mask Sheet. So avocado is good for your soul and for your skin. The properties found in avocado extracts restores hydration to the skin and gives it a plump, natural glow. Really excited to test this one out. I love avocado, so I'm really excited to see how this works for my skin. And next one we have is this right here. This is the Mizzen Joyful Time Hyaluronic Acid Mask. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles by retaining moisture, giving a plumping effect. This mask will provide intense hydration for your skin, perfect for the use in winter. This sounds great because my skin, as I said, needs that moisturization. This one also looks really cute. This is the Mizzen Joyful Time Pomegranate Mask. I love pomegranates, so I'm super excited to test this one out. This mask was formulated for all skin types. The vitamin C in pomegranate aids in improving complexion and keeping skin young and firm. So this sounds amazing. Next one we have, this is the Timeless Truth Gold Flakes Moisture Boosting Black Charcoal Mask. This sounds amazing. So all the glitter is gold, so let your skin glow. This mask is infused with gold flakes to stimulate circulation to your face, which aids in anti-aging moisturizing benefits for your skin. This sounds cool. I like that it has the gold flakes. It's gonna look really pretty. So next one that we have, this one is the JM Solutions Water Luminous SOS Ampule Hyaluronic Mask. This mask is a must-have for those who struggle with dull, dry skin. The hyaluronic acid works to saturate each individual skin cells of moisture to keep your skin hydrated and glowy. That sounds great. And then last one, I do have this, and this is just the Mystery Moisture Mask. So this is just a moisturizing, cooling, and soothing mask, and that sounds great. So all these products seem super, super good. I'm super excited to test these out. Again, if you love masks, you're gonna love this month's box. These are great. Winter's coming. I feel my skin getting really dry, especially my cheek and my nose, like right on my nose and then right here. I feel like I'm super, super dry. So I'm really excited to test this out, see how it works. I am really, really oily, but I do notice in the winter right here gets super dry. So I'm really excited to see how this works for my skin. And thank you so much for gifting me this. I'm super, super excited. Again, if you guys are interested and you do want to purchase this month's box, then just go ahead and use my code XOMelissa25, XOMELISSA25, and that will get you 25% off of your first box. Okay guys, sorry if the angle changed. My battery did die, so I did just have to go ahead and switch this out. This is the third video that I'm filming today, so definitely putting my battery to the test. But let's go ahead and open up this. This is the Boutique Monthly. This is the beauty box. Again, this has skincare, this has makeup, this has anything beauty related in it. So really excited to go ahead and open this up. I just zoomed you guys in a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. So again, you do get that same exact paper. This is what the box looks like, and again inside it does just state what you get, and it just states how much everything is. And yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. So these are the goodies. First one that I have, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, isn't that adorable? That is so cute. Let me go ahead and open this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And a lot of the packaging is just so pretty. Doesn't smell like apples. Doesn't really smell like apples, but the packaging is just so darn cute. Okay, so this is from Urban Delicacies. This retails, the RRP is $8. This is the Apple Soft Lip Balm. Give dry, cracked lips some soothing moisture with this lip balm. It has vitamin C and E. It's apple extracts, which provides nourishment to your lips and leaves them smooth and supple. So that's awesome. That sounds really, really cool. I'm really excited to test this out. Again, the packaging is just so darn cute. I'm obsessed with the packaging. It looks adorable. Next thing that we have is this right here. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Ooh, I love these. A brand actually just sent me one. I love, love, love them. So this is the Gua Shy. Hope I'm saying that right. If not, I'm so, so sorry. This retails for $8. So this tool was designed to generate blood flow in the face and relieve tension of muscles. Perfect to combat both wrinkles and acne. It reduces inflammation in the face as jade aids in cooling and lessens facial puffiness. This tool is about to become a staple in your skincare routine. So hold the tool with the curved side to your face. Glide it gently up and down, starting with the neck, jawline, and chin, and around the mouth. So this is that curved side. So you just kind of want to go, I like to go up when I do this. I don't like to go down, just because when you go up, it just really lifts your face. You never want to drag your skin down. So just go up, 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 up. You can go up on your forehead. And this is also really good because it can go right underneath. So you can either do this way. Like I really do like these. So I'm super excited that I have another one. I absolutely adore these. These are great. The next thing that I have, this is a hyaluronic acid cream. Ooh, okay, so this retails for $20. Let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. And that is what that is looking like. doesn't have a smell, it just smells really like nice and fresh and clean. So this retails for $20. This is the Dr. V8 Solution Hyaluronic Acid Cream. This cream features the ingredient hyaluronic acid, which hydrates your skin, protects it from the dry environment. This moisturizer does not leave behind a sticky residue. Instead, it creates a refreshing finish and a smooth complexion. So I probably wouldn't use this during the day just because I am super oily. I'll probably go ahead and use this at night. During the day, I do like to use my Dermalogica Active Moist just because I am super oily, but at nighttime I do like to use products like this that are super moisturizing and just leave that on overnight. So I'm super excited to try this out. All you have to do is just apply a pea-sized amount of the product onto your face, gently pressing onto your skin to help with absorption. So you can even keep this in the fridge and that'll leave this even cooler, so that's actually awesome. So I don't think I said this yet, but if there is a product, whether it is in Mask Maven or the Beautique beauty box, then just make sure to leave me a comment down below and I will do a detailed review for you guys on my blog. I do like mask Mondays, I do like different empty reviews, I do first impression reviews on there, and then just more on the written format. So if you guys aren't interested, then go ahead and leave me a comment down below. So this is the next one. This is from Mizzen. This retails for $17. And this is what that looks like. The only one eye cream for your face. So let your eyes go back in time. This eye cream is perfect for restoring elasticity to the delicate skin around your eyes and other areas where wrinkles may occur, including your forehead and neck. It also provides intense moisturizing benefits to your skin. So use the tip of your finger, take a small amount of product, gently massage in your under eye area. You can also use it on your forehead, neck, or smile lines area. That's actually awesome. So it is formulated with 3 peptide complex, which helps to restore skin suppleness and provide a firmer look for your skin. I'm really excited to try this out. I love trying out new under eye creams. That is one of my favorite things to test out. So I'm super excited to see how this works. The next thing I have is, this is from Medio Flower. This is the Shea Butter Body Cream. Ooh, that is large. Ooh, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, and it does come with a little spatula. Okay. Ooh, yeah, that sounds like shea butter. That sounds really good. Ooh, I'm excited. This is great because literally, like, my hands, like right here, have been dry, like my elbows, knees, they've been pretty dry. So I'm super excited to go ahead and test this one out. So it's all about the shea butter, baby. Knowing its healing and restoring properties, shea butter is the perfect staple for everyday body care. Your elbows, knees, and feet are major zones for excessive dryness. Yeah, that is true, especially during the winter. Oh my gosh. So this body cream is formulated to target those areas and restoring moisture and elasticity. So use 2 fingers to scoop a generous amount of the cream, apply dollops on the skin area, rub the body cream gently in circular motions. So apply after hot showers when the pores are open for maximum absorption. So I actually don't recommend taking a super hot shower because really hot showers really do dry out your skin. So you want to use more of a lukewarm water and put this on. I wouldn't recommend hot just because that does definitely dry out your skin. And this, I am super excited to test out. This is what this looks like. So this, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you, this retails for $10. This one I'm super excited to test out. This is by Tony Moly. This is $4. This is a strawberry 3-step nose pack. Sometimes 1 step isn't enough. This 3-step blackhead removing strip removes deeply blocked follicles, leaving pores clean and smooth. Perfect for maintaining blackhead free skin at home in between facials. This pack takes you step by step to remove dead skin cells and lock in moisture for the beautiful blackhead free skin. I'm super excited to test this out because I noticed on my like nose I do use a Biore, but I feel like stuff just isn't coming out. So I'm really excited to go ahead and test this one out. So after washing your face, take out the first sheet from the package and apply to your nose. Move after 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2, wet your skin around your nose areas and place a transparent film of the second sheet on your nose and leave on until fully dry, then gently remove. Step 3, remove the film on the last sheet, apply to your nose and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then gently pat the excess product into your skin. So the strawberry extracts in this product are filled with antioxidants and vital nutrients to help keep future blackheads at bay. I'm super excited to try this out because Again, like I said, my blackheads, I need that help. But I'm super excited to try this out. I feel like this is actually a really successful box. I really love everything that was in here, and I'm really excited to test everything out. So again, if you guys are interested in this box, then you can go ahead and use my code XOMelissa25, XOMELISSA25, and that's going to get you 25% off of your first month's box. But that is it for this video, guys. I feel like there are so many awesome goodies in here. I'm really excited to test everything out. As always, like I said before, if there is a product that you do want a more in-depth review of, leave me a comment down below, and I will definitely do an in-depth review on my blog for you guys. But that is it for this video. I'm super excited to test everything out. Thank you so much to Boutique Monthly for gifting me these items. I'm super excited to test everything out. But I hope that you guys did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this month's beauty box. Also, please do not forget to subscribe before you go if you did like what you see, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you can get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. And that is it, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Thank you.